What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on Quant, which has been pumping in value quite consistently over the last week, as you can clearly see, but today has been a major one. As you can see, 25% up, making it $87 per coin right now. And as you can see, most of it came from the last 5-6 hours, going from about $74 all the way up to $87 or $88 even, and right now it has taken a little breather, but again it is still up. So what we're going to be going through is it time to buy? Is it too late? Is it time to sell? Should you take out your money right now and invest into it when it drops back down? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are in the Coinbase website, and Quant is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours. Even in the last hour, sorry, it's dropped 3% in value. But again, as mentioned in most of my videos, dips are always part of the process. The overall picture, 26% up, so far so good. Over the week, a massive 60%. So as you can see, for most of the week, it has been gaining value quite consistently throughout the last 7 days, but especially here on the 8th of July, which was yesterday and today as well. And over the month, it is 38% up. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 155% up in the last 24 hours, making it over $104 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Quant. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of hype, a lot of attention, and a lot more people have been investing into the crypto as well, as obviously has been one of the top gainers, 82% buy against 18% sell. So yeah, a lot of people have been investing into the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But before that, we're just going to hide this, and we're going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we do also got the SMA indicator, which is the purple line running across the chart, which is currently valuing Quant at $61. However, we can see it is trading at a much higher value at $86, meaning it's performing quite well and way better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? Yes, the blue line and the orange line are looking bullish, going in a positive direction, and they are looking very steep, guys. The only reason for that is the major increase that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, it's going to keep going for a bull run. However, we all know that that is not true. After a certain while, even right now, I'm expecting it to drop down in value. We can already see a couple of red candlesticks coming across. I'm expecting it to drop below the $80 mark over the next few hours, but I am also expecting it to pump in value. What does that mean? It's going to be quite volatile. It is going to dip, it is going to peak, it's going to be up and down, just like what's happened after this peak here. You've seen it up and down, as you can see here, and then it peaked up in value again, and that is exactly what I'm expecting it to take place. But this drop may be a little bit harsher, so potentially dropping below the $80 mark and then picking back up in value, going above the $90 mark. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, we should be trading around the $90 to $95 mark, but we could also hit the $100 mark. So somewhere in between that price range is what I'm expecting Quant to trade by tomorrow midday to afternoon. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking very steep, going in a bullish direction. Exact same reason is because of the major increase that's taken place. So that's what the graph thinks, but I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should again be fluctuating around the $90 mark. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles every single day for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have days when it's red, days when it's green. It's going to be up and down, but all that matters is the overall outcome, and at this point in time it seems to be more on the positive side. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Quant towards the end of next week, but it is going to be minimal. It's not going to be a major increase or a major bull run or anything like that. Now, Moving on to the daily chart now, we're looking much more better. We're not looking as steep as the previous two charts. We are looking positive but not as steep, which means it's much more realistic, and it is, we can believe that over the next couple of weeks it is going to slowly and steadily gain in value. So I'm talking about mid-August to late August, we should expect it Quant to be at least around the $100 mark. But again, obviously we're still about 5, 6, 7 weeks ahead of that time. Anything can happen. We can see Bitcoin going to 40-50k, or we can see it dropping to 10-15k. Obviously we can't really 100% predict crashes, especially we can't predict, and especially when when it goes for a major bull run, those things are unexpected as well. So to make it easier for you guys, I have made a Telegram group chat where I'll be showing you guys daily price updates and prediction every single day on Bitcoin, what to expect, what price target is likely to hit, and if it's moving in a positive or negative direction daily. And I also show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. So if you guys want to get involved, the link to that will be in the description box down below for my Telegram. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. But don't worry, if you do get in for $14.99, it will stay at that price for as long as you stay a member. So just to give you guys a clear image, what's going to happen once you sign up, you're going to get put into two group chats. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect, where it's heading to, what price target is likely to hit. Obviously you see 29.5k here because this is an old screenshot from about late May, and I also show you guys other predictions and analysis that you guys want me to in the group chat. But yeah, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. So back to Quant we go. So let's bring out the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, but we are getting very close to the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, as you can see here, we have to hit $105. We are very close to that target. Again, it is possible that we may hit that by late July to early August, depending on how the crypto market performs. But to keep it safe and to keep it, like, we're gonna have to take in a slow and steady increase. I'm gonna say mid to late August we should be hitting into the green zone. Again, there may be times where we quickly pump up in value into the green zone, then drop back down. I'm not counting that, because that's literally just doing a quick up and down. I want it to go up in value and stay there. Slow and steady increase is what we need. But yeah, so far we are on target, and hopefully we should be able to head into the green zone by mid to late August. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Quant, guys. Let me know what your expectations and what your predictions are. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on Quant. So let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, because I'm trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And yeah, I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.